Everyone, welcome again to my lab where I have this microwave oven transformer. I've wired it correctly, as you can see here. Yeah, I have this microwave oven capacitor attached to this chicken stick, or monkey stick, how you like to call it. This is the striking surface, as you can see. I think it actually made some holes, like in here. I've did this before with baking soda, but now I do it with indium. Indium is a metal that got its name actually after the color indigo. It's one of the softest metals ever that is not toxic and won't explode in your mouth like sodium or potassium. And its color, when blasted with enough electricity, it turns into indigo plasma. So we'll see if I can make some beautiful indigo plasma. With the sodium bicarbonate, I made some red plasma. So this time, hopefully you can make some indigo plasma. I'm gonna plug this in. My plug is turned off. I have the turn on, turn off plugs. Electronics are away and away and away. And I power it up. Chickens. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You can see the indigo. Okay, now we need to turn this off because my microwave oven transformer will need some cooling. I'm gonna get scissors. Just get something isolated, like these scissors. And it's harder to do this with one hand, and just go in here, go in the contacts. And after you're done, you still have this, the chicken stick. Just dab the wires, just in case. Now we can check the transformer. Oh yeah, it's pretty in there. You can hear the humming, so you know it's on and off. That was absolutely beautiful. I will do that one more time. Okay. Here, 1, 2, 3. That is beautiful. That was about it for today. Anyway, see ya next time.